Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning supporters and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today, well this evening is Saturday. What is it, like March the 4th or something? March the 2nd. Saturday, March the 2nd. And I had to run to Hobby Lobby to pick up a few things for a project that I'm working on. These epoxy stickers here and this ball chain. And let me show you the rest of what I'm going to show you what I'm doing. And this could actually be considered like a Throwback Thursday. I'm going to add it to the Throwback Thursday playlist, but it's actually not a Throwback Thursday. I just decided to do this and share it with you guys. And this is what I've been making. And this is my grandson, the one that was stillborn on the 7th. And his dad broke the chain that the hospital gave him as a remembrance, and he was kind of upset about it. So I'm making him and the fiance these little, I don't know what, lockets maybe, or pendants. I'm making them these little pendants. And it is so super simple, as people say. And what you'll need is a bottle cap. And I got these. I've had these in my stash forever. When I tell you forever, I mean forever. And I took my crocodile and can see the hole. And I punched the hole in the top using my crocodile. Can you see it right there? And that's why I got the ball chain, the epoxy stickers, and some little pictures of Ken. Split ring right here. And if you don't know what a split ring is, it's these types, the one that has the I guess the 2 layers. I'm gonna say 2 layers, but they split like that if you were doing it for, like, what is that, keychains. I prefer using split rings as opposed to using jump rings. And some double-sided adhesive. And this adhesive is just something that I picked up from maybe eBay. It was on a flat sheet. And you know what, let me show you. Give me just a minute. Okay, these are the sheets that I purchased from eBay. Like I said, it's probably been a couple of years now, and I've never used them. I just decided to pull them out. I don't even remember the person I even purchased them from. And this is the crocodile I was telling you about, the handheld one. What is that? Look, there's a piece of the stuff that can't get off me. But anyway, excuse me. But this is the crocodile that I used to punch the holes into the flattened bottle cap. So let's get this done. I'm just going to take this split ring right here. Open it up with my thumbnail. If I can. There we go. And I'm just going to slide it on. Hopefully without breaking it. There we go. That's done. And I cut these in circles, but the other one I did as a square, so you don't have to have it in a circle. So let me see if I can do it without taking so much time. This is a smaller circle, so I don't take so much time, because you know when you're trying to get these backings off this adhesives, that's when it doesn't want to cooperate. Okay. I'm just gonna put it in. Let me see, hold on just a second. Just a little bit, there we go. So I'm just gonna put it in here. Like so. Nothing's, no fancy, nothing, just in there. Let me see if I can get this other layer off. There we go. And I'm gonna take Ken's picture. That's the top right there. I'm gonna start at the bottom, and that's about right. Put him in there. Flatten him out. So we got that part done. super quick. And I'm going to take one of these things. Now, the first time I touched one of these, my fingerprint was in it. So I went and got some tweezers. Your fingerprint may go away. I'm not sure, but I didn't want to take a chance. And they come off really easy. And I'm just going to start at the bottom again. Trying to make sure I'm in frame. And put that on. And there. And that's done. Let me get a chain here. Oh, and these come with extra little closures on the back. I guess if you want to make a bracelet, maybe, I don't know, you can probably cut it like you want to. Oh no, it's a long chain. Okay, show you what I know. But I'm not gonna cut it right now. I'm just gonna put this one here. I'm not gonna even do that. There we go. I had to get that noise down now. Oh my God. Okay. And let me see if I can zoom out the long way. There we go. So this is how to look on the chain. And I will send it to my son, full length. Well, yeah, I sent him 2 of them, one for him and one for her. And then they could do it with it how they want. Shorten it, not shorten it, whatever. Okay, guys, this is my kind of sort of, what is it, submission for my Throwback Thursday. And I will put which version it is, episode, somewhere in here in this video. I'll put it in because I can't remember. It's been so long. But this is it. I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.